you able to come in and view the video of my client's name? First thought in my head was, why would this detective name him in the email? Because it said based on my previous conversation. So I was like, they fucking have a phone call where she was like, I need you to identify this person who's on your probation in a video, because that's the only way you can read that email. That's a confirmation of a tainted ID, which, again, for people who don't know, is an identification is supposed to be free of suggestion, free of taint. Probation officer, I need you to take a video and see if you can identify anybody in this video. Not, I need you to identify this specific person, because of course he's going to identify that specific person because you already told him who's in the video. Let's get it suppressed. And we filed it, and then we were going to the motions and we were getting ready to litigate it. And my partner was like, he just goes, he's like, let that in. It's better if that comes in, because then they get a flavor for how bad this investigation was and how absolutely rife with bullshit it was. And they get a real feel for it.
I gotta say, I interviewed somebody yesterday, and it was a husband accused of domestic violence of his wife. And there was a restraining order that the lawyer initially didn't want in, but when it came in, he was able to actually use that to show she wanted a divorce. And she used the restraining order and the criminal proceeding together to try to get the divorce. Initially, they didn't want the restraining order in because the judge had already determined that there was sufficient grounds. But the restraining order coming in at trial actually helped because it showed the motive of the alleged victim.